$5. And, oh, meron dito wood of chessboard. $5. Buo pa ba yung chessboard ni Iman? Ha? Yeah. So, one? Or about this one, the wood one? No. I would like to buy some now. So, you have to place that down, and then you have to put this. So, eat them. And whoever has the most wins. What is that? A hungry turtle? Yeah. Looking for the hippos.
Dito kami ngayon sa 5 Below. Bibili daw kami ng pang birthday ni Iman. Yung basketball. Yun o, ball. Oh, yun o, yung mga bola o. $5 lang o, Iman o. Iman! Masaya siya, punta kami sa 5 Below eh. Pang kid stop. 60 natin. Pargo! Dakota, 5 Below. Ayan, $5 yung mga basketball, oh. Bola. Tsaka pang volleyball. Oh, Spalding pa siya, oh. Oh. Ayos. Soccer ball. Ito pala yung 5 Below. Oh. Ay, dito pala makakabili si Iman, oh. $1, oh. Glue stick. Oh, makakuha si Iman ng toys niya, oh. Oh, marami pala rito eh, oh. Toy car, ha? Dito pa rin si Spider-Man, oh. Oh, $5. Ayan, $5 pala rito eh. Marami mabibili si Iman dito. Ayun, si Madam. Sana si Iman. Iman, you find your toys? Ha? Show me your toys, Iman. Emmanuel. Anong gusto mo? Ha? Ay, si Naruto, Iman, oh. Naruto is here. Oh. $5. Stuffy. Oh. May pang exercise pa rito, oh. Look at that. $5. 5 Below. O yun. May baril, may pana pala ron eh. Sana si Iman? You got some, Iman? Ha?
It's $5.
Where? You get some?
Yeah.
Huh?
Crazy.
What is that? Oh, drawing board.
Sige, tawagin sa atin siya, anak.
Ito, may skateboard pa rito. Mura. $5. Nabati nga lang. $5. Kaya pala 5 Below siya. Puro $5. Ha?
$1 naman.
$5 naman? Oh. Let me see. Let me see your toys.
It's $5.
$5?
Can I have this?
Oh, my boy.
Slime!
Nakakuha siya ng slime siya. Kaya, kuhan na. Masaya siya. Ay, gusto akong bilhin dito eh. Charger. Phone charger. $5. Oh, ano yan? Oh, marami din bukan, no? USB cable. Sari-sari. Kabila ko isa. Yan, $5. Meron ding mga headphone. Headset. 5 Below. Sana si Iman. Or si Manuel. You got your ball, Iman? Emmanuel. Anong binili mo, Iman? Hindi pala si Supermom eh. Oh. You got one? Ha?
Yeah,
Huh?
that's slime. I don't
Slime
know.
only? Yeah? Ito. Gusto mo to? Oh. Stoppy, Iman. Oh, mayroon din pala dyan eh. O, sige, pumili ka.
What is this?
Ha?
What is this?
I don't know. What is that? Let me see.
I think it's an avocado.
Avocado? Masarap yung avocado, Diyos. Ay, so chocolate, Iman. Here. Oh. Ayan, oh. Ferrero.
Yeah. But guess what?
Here.
this is?
Oh.
Can I get hot chocolate?
Magkano? $10?
Wait, it says it's $5 when it says it's 2.5. Now it has an X and now it's $5. So now,
What's that? Choco?
yeah. So you put it in the ground and you mix stuff and it will go.
Where's Iman? Asan na yung lime mo, Iman? Lime mo? Ha? Where?
It's
You got
in
some?
the car.
Masaya ka pa naman napunta rito. Wala kang nabili.
I just
Ha?
that I have.
Ito, mura ito. Chessboard siya. $5. And, oh, meron din to wood, oh, chessboard. $5. Buo pa ba yung chessboard ni Iman? Ha? Yeah. You want one?
I want like yeah, it's like super.
Or about this one, the wood one?
No, I want to like buy something like so. You have to place that down, and then you have to push this, so it will eat them, and whoever has the most wins.
What is that? A hungry turtles?
Yeah, it's like hungry hippos. It's the same thing.